Well, when you get lucky. No fresh. We're about to cook the black soup. Grandma is about to cook black soup.
I think I wash them.
Oh no? But I need that restaurant because they can't do toy. But I don't have the whole time to video. I have to go and start making my cake. So I'm gonna leave you guys now. Yeah, I'm already making your food in the oven. Party is getting started.
Yeah, bro.
Have you go to a party where there is black soup? There is black soup on this Liam's party.
That is how they do it in Nigeria.
Do you hear, Grandma? That is how they do it in Nigeria.
In my specially Edo State room.
In Edo State Uromi. If it's not Ogbolo, it's a goosey. If it's not a goosey, it is black soup. Show me that on a done. Papa say. Don't Lloyd. Mama is cutting the snail. Yeah, because when you if you high here, you just be warning. Look now, I want to power it up. 1, 2, ready, go. That's when you power it up. Like a pressure cooker. So power it down. Then you reduce. A big roll up. Let's look at this one right here. Oh, go for mommy. Where am I not seeing what I'm showing now? Okay. That's where you're see what it. This is crayfish. So after we put the fish on, we're about to make the crayfish. We're about to get the crayfish ready. This soup is maca soup. This soup is delicious, delicious soup. Uh-oh. You have to power it down. Power down. Who is that now? Oh, that was Ashley Tutor that rang the bell. Tutor not Ashley. I'm not TikTok. No, no, we homework it be baby. So we put that in. I really like this cooker. If you want your food faster, you can just power it up. Energy is energy booster, mommy.
What is going on with it? What is this?
Is it gone already?
No.
Okay. So why are you here? Go with your leg. You can't go anywhere. Salt.
Mama, wait.
Okay, but you want no mama with me, bua. I'm with you.
Who never fall down? What is that? Give me that.
I think it's okay. This kind of pot, you have to be extremely careful. It's too full. Yeah, bro. Oh my God, look at soup. This soup is soupy. Liam, it's your birthday. You will know that you were born in Asaland. Liam will know that he's born in Asaland. You see my native soup, guys? It's souping. We call it black soup, omebe, or leaf soup. Omebe means leaf soup. But me, how you leave? But me, Nina, how you leave your meal? Omebe is omebe. Mommy said omebe is omebe, no translation. Omebe is omebe. So just ask, I want omebe.
Tea, I want tea,